Adventures with Don. Since my last adventure episode, where I was hoping for snow and didn't get any, or very little, we now have snow. No, I'm not going to put up a tent and try to sleep in the snow again. But instead, I'm going to head down to the railroad tracks in Dunsmuir, California. See what kind of photos I can get of trains and snow. They're supposed to have more snow than we do, so hopefully it'll be pretty cool. And we'll try to throw in some night photos. Matter of fact, they might all be night photos by the time I get down there. But we won't know till we try, because who knows, I might not even be able to get near the tracks because of all the snow. We shall see. We'll get everything loaded up and then head south to Dunsmuir and hopefully see some trains. Here we are at the Dunsmuir Amtrak Depot. The Dunsmuir yard is down those tracks, which is south. Oh, about a half mile or so. The oil tank or fuel tank or whatever it is, painted in Southern Pacific colors. That's how long it's been here. Union Pacific bought out Southern Pacific years ago. Over there's their crew offices. And here's the tracks facing north. Probably can't tell on here, but they have some snow plows down there. And here's the Amtrak depot. Amtrak does come through here. One north and one south. I think one comes through about 12:30 in the morning, and the other one about 6 in the morning. Do not throw your cigarette butts on the ground, just FYI. Amtrak welcomes you. I don't know how well this will show up, but here's the waiting area. Usually there's transients in here, so kind of surprised not to find any. And it even has a toilet. And if you're hungry, how about some onions? So I'm really surprised there's no transients in here. A little bit of trash if you look around, but not bad. And inside this building at the other end is actually a museum. Been in there a couple of times and it's actually pretty nice. Has some good stuff put together, really nice. I don't know if they're open in the winter. Oh no, sign says April to October. So don't come here tomorrow. Come next month. Cool painting. And even an old, is that a signal shack? Something like that. So anyway, downtown, the metropolis of Dunsmuir. Just sitting around, waiting for another train. Switch heaters are used in the winter so that when the dispatcher tries to remotely change a switch, it's not frozen shut. You can look in between the rails and see the blue flame from the propane heaters. They must work pretty good because you see there's no snow anywhere around that switch. The last train for the evening pulled into the station. At least while I was there. I would have liked for them to pull a little further forward for a better photo, but apparently they don't take requests. So that was a short trip to Dunsmuir, trying to get some photos of trains in the snow. Hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing it. Thanks for watching.